Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find the routing number in Chase app. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is open the Chase mobile application into your device and log in into your account. And after that, just simply tap on your Chase checking account from the main screen. And from there, guys, just simply go to the account details section and tap on show details. And from there, guys, your account number and routing number will be displayed. So for reference, guys, the routing number is a 9-digit sequence at the bottom left, and the account number is a sequence to the right of the routing number, and the check number is a 4-digit number at the bottom left. And that's simply about it. Just simply follow the steps and you'll be able to find your routing number on Chase app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!